Good morning, June 22. Araw ng Monday and another day para tayo papasok sa trabaho. You know, every day is a blessing. You decided to sleep last night, but God decided to wake you up. So ang pagising natin sa umaga ay hindi po tayo ang nagdesisyon, kundi ang Panginoon. Kaya sa araw na ito, be grateful and thankful for this new life. Today is a fresh start, a new page, and another chance to leave yesterday's mistakes, worries, and let's be ready to face any challenges for today. At para maging positive tayo sa araw na ito, nang sa ganun ang buong araw natin ay maayos, anumang challenges na meron tayo ngayon sa araw na ito, please consider these three things. Number one, think positive. It's natural na mag-encounter tayo ng mga negative situation, but just try to look on the positive side of it. Nang sa ganun, magkaroon tayo ng magandang araw. Ano man po mga negative situation na marahil mayroon ka sa trabaho ngayon, tingnan mo lang ang mga positibong bagay nito. Like a battery, mayroong positive side, mayroong negative side. Meaning, for every negative situation, there will be always a positive side of it. Pangalawa, if you think positive, then also you have to talk positive. Kung mayroong mga bagay na dapat pag-usapan, just be positive. Nang sa ganun, it can encourage someone, it can encourage you to motivate someone, at ikaw din mismo mamomotivate ka to do good things. Then pangatlong bagay na dapat mong gawin, just do good things, as what the Bible declares, that we have to do good things. Nang sa ganun, ang mga tao na nakita sa atin, if we do good, the same thing, they will be encouraged also to do good. So remember, marami po mga challenges marahil sa araw na ito, but if you will be attracted on it, then ikaw din mismo ay magiging negative. So therefore, if the situation is negative, then be positive. Nasa ganon, maayos ang buong maghapon. Always remember that the things that we have in life is a blessing from the Lord. Everything that we have is by His grace. Biyaya ito ng Panginoon. Kaya all throughout the day, be grateful and thankful, and enjoy the Word. Be safe, and God bless.